Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's preheat our oven to 170 degrees C, 340 degrees F. This temperature is perfect for achieving that delicate, fluffy texture we're looking for. While the oven is heating up, you can prepare your other ingredients and get everything organized on your counter. Now, let's combine 400 g of sweetened yogurt with 4 large eggs in a bowl. The key here is to mix until everything is well combined and smooth. You'll know you've reached the right consistency when there are no more yellow streaks from the eggs visible in the mixture. Time to add the 40 grams of cornstarch. Make sure to sift it into the mixture. This prevents any lumps from forming. Keep stirring until the batter is completely smooth and silky. You'll know it's ready when it coats the back of your spoon evenly without any graininess. Let's fold in 70 g of our fresh blueberries. The trick here is to be gentle. We want to keep the berries whole. Use a spatula and make slow, sweeping motions from bottom to top, just until the blueberries are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Pour your batter into a greased 15 cm round cake pan. If you don't have a pastry brush for greasing, you can use a paper towel to spread the butter or oil evenly. The batter should flow smoothly and level itself naturally. Time for the remaining 20 g of blueberries. Scatter them evenly over the top of the batter. They'll partially sink during baking, creating beautiful pockets of fruit throughout the cake. Place the cake in your preheated oven and bake for 50–55 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is lightly golden and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The cake should have a slight wobble, like set jelly. Once baked, let's cool the cake at room temperature. This step is crucial for the texture, so resist the temptation to move it too soon. You'll know it's ready for the next step when the pan feels completely cool to the touch. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Pop the cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the cake to set properly and develops that amazing creamy texture we're looking for. Finally, it's time to unmold our creation. Run a knife around the edges, then carefully transfer to your serving plate. When you slice it, you'll see a beautiful, creamy interior studded with juicy blueberries. The cake should have a texture similar to a light cheesecake, creamy but still fluffy. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.